How are you? I'm happy to be with you this year. This is my first Spanish OCA Days. I hope it's not the last one. I will be come next year's, hopefully. My name is Suhail Bjawi. I'm from Axon, a developer at Axon. And today I will show you what we did in V16 on the RMA module. RMA is the acronym for Return Merchandise Authorization. And let's start. The question is simple: why return matters? Any business need returns. People make mistakes. Your customer can make a mistake when he encodes his order. He can change his mind. The operator working for you can make mistake. He can deliver another product than the customer ordered. We can miss some quality control, so we can deliver defective product. I think it's obvious why we can't do a real business without returns. So if we can't do it without returns, how we can do it and control the costs and keep our customers happy, because if we do it without real process, it can take time, it can cost money. And for example, I can give an example of one of our customers. He had some clients return a product that they didn't purchase from them, but they didn't have the ability to say if it was sold by them or by another supplier. So without real tracking for returns, you can't do proper returns. So why we need OCA RMA module? Because OCA don't let's say cover this part of the process. People who are using enterprise can use help desk module, but it's not dedicated for that. You can use it, but it's not really for a return product, but for people who are using OCA Community Edition. There is no process. You can use stock picking to make returns, but it's it. You can't do tracking. You can't log the reasons why the product are returned and it. So originally, this module was made by Technativa. They are the original author and the main maintainers. Axon and BCIM, we worked on a lot of improvement in V16. I will show later. So this module works on top of OCA sales, stock purchase, and accounting modules. It provides an extensible framework for handling returns, replacement, exchange, and other type of operation. So the main features of this module is to link the sale orders with the delivery, with the returning picking. So in the same interface, we can track for this order the return picking and the replacement picking, for example. The refund, if we do a refund, we will see it in the same spot. So this helps people dealing with returns to directly manage this process in the same interface. What we introduced the reasons and a configurable workflow based on operation. At the version before version 16, we had one process is accepting returns, whether then do replacement or refund. That's it. We will see how now we can manage other complex process. So we also introduced the tracking with serial and low number. This is the case I mentioned earlier. Now with the serial number, our customer can say if he is the one who sold this product or not. And of course, an integration with stock moves, because when we do returns, we need to accept returns and deliver the replacement. So let's go direct to the presentation, to the demo. So after installing the RMA modules, you will have an entry point here to access to RMA application. And let's start with settings and see what are the operation we can have. Here, by default, there is 3 base operation: replace, repair, refund. I added for this presentation replace A with B, we will see it, and replace and refund. Let's take a look on the replace, for example. So this is the operations. This is the setting of the operation where I can say how to manage this operation. For example, for the replace operation, I need to receive the returned product. So here I have a selection if it's manual action after confirming the RMA. So the operator, after confirming the RMA, need to click on a button to create the reception, or it's an automatic action after open confirmation. And as it's a replacement, I need to receive my product. So I set here automatically on confirm, and the delivery, it's automatic after receipt. So my delivery order will be created automatically after I receive the returned product. And for this case, I will not refund the customer, it's just a replacement. And if I take a look on the refund, for example, here you can see I set the receipt creation and the refund, but not the delivery, because I will refund it, I will not replace the product. So, and here are the reasons we accept to return a product. So the people are working on the returning process. When they are with the customers, they know now with this what are the reasons for that they can accept a return or not. So for example, if the customer mention anything out of this list, they can go to their manager, and the process now is more clear using the reasons. And another thing that help people using reasons, it's now we link reasons with operations. So for example, with wrong item shipment, for example, for defective product, we allow only replacement. If it's defective, we don't refund the customer, just replacement. And if it's the reason the customer changed his mind, we can refund it, but no replacement. We will see this. Now I will go to the sale application, create a new order to this customer. I need to deliver it. I will create an invoice to show the refund. Okay, so this is my order. I have the customer ordered one of each product. I delivered the quantity ordered and invoiced it. Now I can click on Create RMI. So here I will see this list of the product I delivered with the quantity, allowed quantity. So here allowed quantity is 1 because I delivered only 1. This helps the people to know how many products they can accept. If, for example, for a larger order, we did a partial return. So the next time we will see that the allowed quantity is less. So I will select the reason defective product, and as you see here, I only can use the operation replace. This two fields on the header helps to fill the fields on the line, but I can choose for each product a different reason. For example, here the client changed his mind, and here I will refine it. Now when I accept, I can see here that it creates two different RMA, one for each product. This is the view, and this is what helps people managing returns to work. You don't need to go back to the sale order, neither to the picking or to the invoice. When he's on the phone with the customer, he can see here the customer, the shipping address, the invoicing address, and the original sale order. He have links to all the data he needs. And as you see here, we see the reason that we accepted when we was on the phone with the customer, the defective product, and the operation will be replacement. We can see here a link to the picking, stock picking of reception that I need to confirm to receive the defective product. I didn't show you the other RMA where I think I didn't. What is the refound? Both are replaced. It's not a problem. I will show you later the refound. So here, when as I selected on the operation, it's the reception creation is automatic on RMA confirmation. When the RMA was confirmed, the picking was created. So I will validate it. And when I go back to the RMA, it's automatically go to waiting for replacement state. And a delivery order was created for both products here. So I will validate it up. And now it's in the state to replace it. If I go back to my sale order, I will see here the link to the RMI, the delivery, the invoice. Let's take a look on the refound case. I will do another order. I deliver invoice. Okay. So here I can see the operation is refound. I will receive the returned product. Up. So it's now on the state received. There is something I didn't mention, that here in the refund action, we can say if the refund is created manually, automatically, or there is another option is update quantity on the sale order. What is the difference? The difference that here we will have directly the invoice created from the RMA, but the quantity on the sale order will remain unchanged. And we find this option more native because it will update, especially for people who are using sale orders. It will update the quantity on the sale order, and the invoicing process on the sale order will generate the refund. Now, if I go back to my sale order, I will see that here the delivered quantity now is 0. So it asks me to create an invoice. If I create an invoice, it will be the refund. So people who are using, for example, modules to automatically invoice sale orders, and this will help them with updating the quantity to manage the refund. There is another example I wanted to show. Let's go back to operations. It's replace A with B. This can happen when we delivered a different product than the product the customer ordered. So imagine the customer ordered the product A, we delivered the product B, but if I want to do a simple replacement, the picking of the return picking will be with the product E, but I need to receive in my warehouse product B. So this is a little bit tricky. So it's a simple, it's a regular replacement operation. I need to set the reception, the deliver, but I need to check here different return product. We will see how it works. So let's go back to the sale order. So he ordered this block screen. I confirm, deliver. But he called us and say, you didn't deliver the block screen. You delivered another product. So how we can do it? Here, I need to choose the reason wrong item shipped. It proposed the operation replace A with B. And now I need to fill this field return product. What I will return? I will return a corner disk sit right, for example. This mean we delivered a corner disk right instead of the acoustic. So I accept. Now I have the receipt with the corner disk right, set quantity, validate. And when I go to my RMA, now in the delivery of the RMA, I deliver the original ordered product, which is acoustic block screen. So I set the quantity, I validate. So here in the RMA, I can see that I returned the corner disk and delivered the originally ordered product. So I have now a happy customer. I managed his return easily with all this. At the end, I want to show you this dashboard where we can see for each operation some numbers. For example, the draft RMA, the waiting action, and the processed. And if I click on a waiting action, I can see RMA needing my action. That's it. So if you want to contribute, use this module. You can access to the repo using this link. We started with in V16 there was RMA sale MRP. We added load tracking reasons, as I said, and operation. But to conclude, the advantage of this module is to standardize the returning process. So we will have clear process for all customers. Not each operator do as he wants. and this process increase customer satisfaction. This is clear, and better financial management. We will only refund customers that need to be refunded. We will not refund everyone because we don't understand why they are returning. They are calling all the day. So do refund to be in peace. Reduce manual work, and for sure strong audit trail. With this KPIs number, we can now audit why, for example, a product is returning more than others, why customers is returning products more than other customers. Without this, we can't do this kind of audit. The challenges using this RMA, it's upfront configuration efforts, as you saw. The configuration of the operations decide how the process will be. So be aware that this step needs more focus to do it. We need a clear definition of business rules. As business, we need to clarify what are the rules of the returns. So we can. It's not the module who will do that for you. You need to clarify your business rules, and for sure, we don't cover all the edges cases. We need. And if there are, I think we have a good base to cover them. So all help is appreciated to improve and maintain this module. That's it. If there is questions, if I can answer them.
Any questions?
Thank you for the presentation. Thank you for the work. I do have a detailed question on the replace A with B, because in the system you delivered A, but you physically picked B. So then you get a return of B, and then you deliver A. If we don't do anything, you'll deliver A twice, right?
Yes.
You handle that.
Yes. And this is clear for this case. We did the customer did we as supplier, we did a mistake. So it can't be only resolved with the RMI. We need to do an inventory adjustment after that. I didn't say that to don't complicate the case more. But for example, for one of our customers, for now, we don't do it automatically, the inventory adjustment. We thought to do it, but it's a little bit tricky because we can create the adjustment and then no one to validate it. So the easy idea we found, it's only to create an activity to notify people that you need to do an adjustment after validating this RMA. I didn't mention that to simplify the use case, but you are right. We need to adjust the stock because we delivered the same product twice and received a product that we didn't deliver it.
No more questions? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great work.